So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Marksans Pharma share. So previously, when we discussed near 69.70 rupees level, we have done the complete technical analysis and also we discussed what are the major resistances the stock is facing. So 2 days back-to-back positive moment is present in Marksans Pharma, especially pharma stocks are showing some very good positive rally. So will this stock sustain the 75 rupees level and will it approach the 80 rupees level or not? We'll try to discuss each and everything in detail. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so first thing that we're going to discuss is the deliverables. So how much quantity is traded and how much deliveries are observed on day-to-day basis in Marksans Pharma. So the first thing on October 4th, we have seen 6.2% positive movement, and coming to deliveries wise, 44.9% was the delivery percentage. And you can see a little bit of spike in traded quantity is present because of the volatility that was generated in the stock. So whenever the stock is showing some huge uptrend, so obviously the traded volume also increases because buying and selling happens rapidly. And on regular basis, if we see the delivery percentage, so more than 50% is maintained at a very good rate, and sometimes even 60 above is also carried on. So when huge momentum is happening, so little delivery fluctuation happens and slightly fluctuations would be visible. So that is clearly observed in Marksans Pharma. So what are the next levels we need to focus, especially for short term and long term? So we'll try to find out that. So quickly, let's go to charts. Okay, so first if we try to discuss on weekly chart time frame, so we can see in weekly chart time frame the stock continuously was traveling in a particular range. So first it has gone up, it was facing resistance near the 90-95 rupees level. Again it has come down again after taking support near the 50-day exponential moving average, so which is coming roughly near 65.91. The stock has started retracing. So if we observe the chart pattern clearly, we can see a little bit of rejection is present near the 75 rupees level. So this 75 crossing is going to be very important, and today it has done very well. So today you can see it has come to 75.75. so clearly it has crossed the resistive region. So if it could not cross that, obviously we cannot confirm the trend, but since it has crossed the 75 rupees level and the closing is above that resistive region, so a clear rally or a gap is present till we can say 90 rupees level. So if everything goes well, especially in the pharma index, so that particular levels can be visible in the Marksans Pharma. So first it should cross the 80, after that we have 85, and followed by 90 would be the next immediate target. Okay, so this is on weekly chart time frame, and coming towards money flow index, so that is near 39. So almost it has showed a very good correction, and money flow has also gone to oversold. So now that is also started to retrace. Okay, so now let's move on to daily chart as well. Okay, so next if we observe the daily chart very closely, you can observe a W type of pattern. So where the stock first has taken the support in the 200 day, again it has come to retest that particular level, again a very good breakout was visible. So it has even closed above the 50-day exponential moving average, which was the 73.22 rupees level. So as I told, it is facing a little bit resistance to go near the 80 rupees level. So once it closes above that, as usual, the gap, whatever it is there, definitely it will try to fill that region. So daily chart also, the stock is looking very bullish, and volumes have also pretty good. They have increased on day-to-day basis. So money flow index in 64, it is also pointing in the upside direction. So focus the 80 rupees level in the short-term trend, and pharma index especially, it is looking very good, mid caps and small caps. So if you're not yet invested and searching for opportunities, so support would be the 73.32. So that should be respected, and targets wise 80 is going to be the first thing, 85. Okay, so this is for short-term traders. Long-term, the company is very good fundamentally. Earlier also we discussed that. So time taking, and definitely if you're adding on dips, you will be benefited. So this is all about Marksans Pharma. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.